What if the nail fungus solution being advertised as a breakthrough overnight treatment is actually much simpler than it appears? Glovoro Fungal Nail Patches are promoted as an easy way to eliminate nail fungus without medication, using so-called hydrogel technology that supposedly penetrates the nail, targets fungus at the root, and delivers visible improvements within a few weeks. At first glance, those claims sound impressive, but a closer look raises several important questions. Nail fungus is known to be one of the most stubborn conditions to treat because the infection typically exists beneath and around the nail, making it difficult for topical products to reach the source effectively. While Glovoro emphasizes its hydrogel patch system, there is little evidence showing that a simple patch can penetrate the hard nail structure deeply enough to eliminate an established fungal infection. Another concern is the promised timeline. Healthy toenails grow very slowly, and even when treatment works, visible improvement often takes many months rather than a few weeks. The product also does not clearly disclose any clinically proven antifungal ingredients that would support its bold marketing claims. Looking further, many of the testimonials appear unusually perfect, while some before and after photos resemble the type of images commonly used across multiple online promotions. There are also reports of very similar patches being sold under different brand names at much lower prices, raising questions about whether Glovoro offers anything truly unique. None of this automatically proves the product is ineffective, but it does suggest consumers should approach the marketing with realistic expectations. Based on the available information, Glovoro Fungal Nail Patches appear to rely more on convenience-focused advertising than on publicly available clinical evidence. Anyone considering this product should carefully evaluate the claims, compare alternatives, and remember that nail fungus treatment is typically a long-term process rather than a quick overnight fix.